following the wind of the Pacific Ocean to the west. Neighboring to Shanghai, you can start your visit to us, GOFOUNTAIN. GOFOUNTAIN is the top manufacturer and exporter of fountain in China, providing the whole solution of water fountain for clients. Services includes fountain design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, technical training, and maintenance. GOFOUNTAIN has the most professional fountain team. General Manager Mr. Jimmy Hu, who stands as the front edge of the fountain industry, eyes on the worldwide market and guides the company to strive for excellence. Decades of experience in fountain industry, GOFOUNTAIN has been well prepared to start cooperation with you.